Okay, folks, we're going to do a quick sip of a California red blend from Stringer, I guess, is the winery. And this is called the Metal Bender. It's a blend of Cabernet Sauvignon and 70% Cabernet Sauvignon, 20% Petite Sirah, and 10% Syrah. So Cabernet Sauvignon wines, they're pretty big. When you add Petite Sirah in and Syrah, they get bigger, right? So this is something that is not for the faint of heart. It was something, and now you can see the truth comes out. We're on day 2 of this bottle, but it definitely had an arc to it that was pretty interesting. So I'm kind of curious what it tastes like today. But my first sip of the wine was borderline undrinkable. It was very harsh. It was like aggressive, and I just hoped that it needed some air, because at the back end of the after I sipped the wine and let it sit with me for a while, it was clear that there was like this perfumey note to it that made me think like, okay, there's something here that I should probably be patient with. About an hour later, it did settle down. It was still big, but there were nice dark fruits. That perfumey note was still there, and it was much easier to drink. So I'm hoping that another 16, 18 hours in the bottle has softened up even more. So let's check it out. Yeah, it's very tame. There's nothing aggressive right now about the nose. I'm getting lots of blackberries and chocolate, and it's like a blackberry, not quite blackberry jam, but maybe a sugar-free blackberry jam. So it's not like too sweet, but it's not fake, right? Sugar-free is fake. All right, let's see what this tastes like though. So it's really creamy. The finish, the mouthfeel, the wine is just dense and creamy. There is a little, the blackberries, the dark fruit is there. There's a milky creaminess, like I said, probably 4 times now. You're probably getting tired of hearing that. That perfumey note that I got on the initial sip has kind of gotten a little bitter. So as this sits in my mouth now, while there is some of that perfume there, there's a bitterness that is lingering. So maybe on this second day, it didn't improve as much as I would like. It definitely softened, but I'm getting a little bitterness towards the back end now that I didn't have yesterday. So anyway, an interesting, I think this isn't a, California red blends, I don't know if I said it was 2017, but California red blends in general have been, had gotten a lot of momentum in the US, and I think they definitely need to continue to be explored. This is a big boy, right? 14.7% alcohol, and if you look at the components of the grapes, Cabernet, Petite Sirah, and Syrah, you know what you're getting. But definitely, I guess the moral of the story is though, don't let just one sip of wine turn you off to a bottle, because it could just need a little time to relax. Hope that helped. Hope you're enjoying the content, and like and subscribe, because there's 92% of you out there that are watching are not subscribed. We got to get that number up so I can reach more people, and we can have better conversations in the comments. I'll talk to you guys soon. Cheers.